Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I will show you how to simply turn off alarm on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is head over to your phone page and make sure you look for clock. So simply click on clock. Have a click on clock, is take you right here. Then you have all the alarms you have on your Android phone. Everything is going to be found right here, as many as possible number of alarm you have. So to turn off any of the alarm right here, what you need to do is to simply click on this toggle right here, and the alarm become off. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply turn off any alarm on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.